Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that is very important for anybody's career. In fact, it can make or break your career, and that is building a professional network. Whether you're in Nigeria or elsewhere, as you probably may know, effective networking can open doors, whether to new opportunities, whether to new partnerships. In fact, even to get a new job, sometimes that network will help you. So in this video, I want to share some tips on how you can build or maintain a strong professional network so that it can, it can actually have a big impact when you're trying to make a big career jump. So the first thing I want to talk about is, why do you think networking is crucial for your career? Again, first, let's talk about why that is very important. So in today's market, so we know that it's not just about what you know. So it's also about who you know. So you need to make the right connections that can really help you to get access to hidden job opportunities, to hidden industry insights, to even mentorship. So there are some job opportunities that is mostly gotten because somebody referred you. And the people that refer you for some of these high level jobs, they are people that trust you. They are people that understand your skills. There are people that have worked with you in the past that can speak for you, even when you are not, rightly there. These are jobs that are really not in the eyes of the public. And I'm just trying to say that it's your professional network that can give you access to some of these, big jobs. So think of networking as building relationships. So not just about, asking favors, because the more you give to that your network, the more the returns you're going to get in future. So number one tip I want to share with you is that you need to start with your immediate circle. So when you're trying to build a professional network, start with people that you know already, the people that know you. Start with people that have worked with you in the past. And that's why it's always very important to give your best in every job or in every task or in every project that you handle, because it is these people, the small circle of people, that are going to give, a recommendation to you, that are going to make you have the right connections in future. So again, reach out to people in your current circle about career goals. You might have a very useful connection and also a bit of advice. So example again is that if you're looking for a job in tech industry, for instance, you can ask friends that know about the field. Just one introduction or the other can help you to get the right job you need. But again, I'm just trying to say that for you to build the right network, you need to think about your inner circle, the immediate people in your circle. The second tip I want to share again is that you need to attend industry events and conferences. And in fact, one of the best ways to build your network is by attending some of these industry specific events. So there are some workshops, there are some conferences. So anywhere you see where like minds gather, you can always have like a very good connections from there. You can share business cards, you can have meaningful conversations with people, exchange LinkedIn details. Follow up again after the event. What you're trying to just do is to make right introductions. It's not necessarily that you're trying to get a job, but you're trying to like just build a circle of people that know you, that can speak to you, that you can call when you need, to make, the right career calls anytime. Another thing I want to share again is to build an online presence. So again, in today's digital world, you cannot survive without having a very strong online presence. So things have really moved away from the face-to-face thing that we used to know. LinkedIn is powerful, is where professionals gather. You can create a routine around adding people to your connections, around commenting on people's posts. If you're up to it, you can make your own posts yourself. All you're trying to do is to build an online network of professionals that really know you, that can speak to your skills. Again, consistency is skills. People must know that, okay, when they need to think of 2, 3, 4, 5 persons in this field, you probably will ring a bell. Yeah, so that's another tip you need to be aware of. I want to talk about the next tip, which is you need to be genuine and you need to genuinely stay in touch. Maybe I'm also preaching what I've not done enough of, but again, the best way to build professional relationships is based on trust and mutual respect. So be genuine in your interactions, follow up, chat up people, try to catch up with people, not necessarily when you need a favor, just checking up on people. So again, how to build network is that you make initial contact and you make follow on and you build the relationship from there. So be consistent about nurturing that network because it's your currency, is the currency of your career. So in conclusion, right, so building a professional network is a long-term investment. So in your career, so start with your immediate circle, like I've mentioned before. If you have the time and the resources, you need to attend industry events, conferences, seminars, like I mentioned. Build your online presence. LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. Genuinely add people that I think can add value to your career trajectory on LinkedIn. And stay in touch, always stay genuine, be helpful to people in their interactions. And at the end of the day, in the long run, make this relationship beneficial, to both sides. So that is the tip I want to share with you today on how to build a professional network for your long-term career goal. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.